Guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location. Is your boy Sirmyke. It's so heartbreaking that a lot of us will take our time, will make videos, will edit, will do thumbnails, will burn our data, upload on YouTube or any other social media, especially on YouTube. When we now reach our qualification to get monetized, we'll be rejected. Not only that we are rejected, and when we appeal, we still get rejected. It's so when you look at what you went through uploading, doing editing, it's so heartbreaking. It's so as in but do you know the funny part? Most times it's our fault, but we don't know. Most times we blame YouTube or we blame our village people. Be like, our village people don't want us to succeed. The truth is that it's our fault. Let's not make this thing too long. Let me just explain to you what I'm trying to talk on this. I did a research. Some of my friends were rejected when they applied for monetization, and I was like, okay, let me go through, let me make research to see the reasons why this happens. And I concluded and I found out some reasons why this might occur to your account. This topic is not only for the new content creators on YouTube, it's for everybody, because you might not know when you might want to create, or when someone will ask you, please, my account was rejected, you don't even know, or I want to apply for YouTube monetization, content monetization, you cannot even advise the person. So this video is for both new content creators and old content creators. It's not for the only the new one. So let's just dive in. Hello, is your boy Sirmyke. So welcome to Sirmyke Nation. Please, if this is your first time seeing my channel, or you have not subscribed before, please subscribe, click on the notification bell, comment, please. All this is needed to also help my channel grow. I'm begging, because they say that who doesn't ask or who doesn't say will not receive. Do you understand? And I don't want to speak in Igbo. I don't want to speak in Igbo in this my dialect here. But my dialect is also Epulo Epu Melono. You understand? So let's start by number one. What I noticed. Most times when you reach the threshold, or when you reach the threshold of getting monetized, and YouTube sends you an email address that you can now apply for the partnership program, please do not apply immediately. Do not. That is number one failure people do. Number one reason why people get rejected. They send you a message that you can apply, and you rush immediately and can't apply. No, please cool down. Do you understand? Chill, cool down your body. I know you're excited. Finally I got YouTube noticed me. No, 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 no. Yes, you are free to thank the Lord, thank anybody that you feel, thank your mentor, anybody, but please don't apply immediately. Let it cool down. Let it be cold. Just see it as a hot food that was just brought from the fire. Let it cool down small, because if you test it, you get burnt. That's how it is. Just cool down. Number one, don't apply immediately. Number two, please check your thumbnails before you apply. Next thing you have to do is go through all your videos, check all your thumbnails. Make sure that your thumbnail matches what you're talking about. And also make sure that your thumbnail don't look alike, the same design. I will show you guys what I'm talking about. Let me switch to let's say screen recording. I'll show you what I'm talking about. I hope you can see my screen. let's go to Chrome. Okay, let's go to Chrome. Yes. Yeah, you go to your studio.youtube.com. Continue as yeah, just to the YouTube app. Yeah, you have to go to studio.youtube.com. So so how to check if you have copyright and restriction in your video? First of all, click here. Click on this filter. Maybe you know how to locate this place. Maybe you have to first click on your videos, then click on the filter so that you filter it. So let me increase the brightness. You filter it. If you click select copyright, click on copyright. See, I don't have any video that has copyright issue. Why? Because most of my videos is done faced, as in I do my recording, I do my research, then I record myself. That's why you can't see any copyright issue there. And I don't use people's music in my videos. I always make sure that all my videos is recorded in, will I say, a soundproof location, so there's no music playing. Okay, next is to check your shot. Click on shot, let it load. Okay, let's also click on, sorry, was okay. Click on copyright. There's no copyright in my shot, so I don't have any copyright issue in my shot also. But if you have copyright issue in your shot, you have to click on action. Come in, let me check something. Let me check if, to be sure that I don't have any copyright here. I wish I was in desktop view. It would have been better. Copyright. Okay, I don't have any copyright. But if you have any video that has copyright issue, you see it under let me click. If you click, like, you'll say that all this have copyright issue. Go to restriction. You notice that there's something there. I don't know why this one is showing restriction. I'll look into it later. I just noticed it now. So under restriction, you see that if any of your video has copyright issue, under your restriction you see it there. But none of my video has copyright issue, so there's no restrictions there. So please make sure you always check for copyright issue before you apply. And if any of your video has copyright, unlist it or even delete it, and don't accept the monetization till after 7 days or more. Do you understand? Don't be in a rush to get monetized. So the next one is, please check if your profile, you have a profile picture, you have your profile background and your name, everything is, all your profile. Please go to your profile, make sure everything is set from head to toe. Put your contact, put your email, put everything. Don't leave anything undone. Anything that you don't understand, you can ask ChatGPT, you can ask your mentor, ask anybody. Make sure that you don't leave anything undone, anything that you don't leave anything blank. Make sure you fill everything. If it is possible, use account that is already verified. That's why they say if you want to open a YouTube channel, please use an old email address. Don't use a new one, because new ones, Google will see it as a bot. It's hard to be monetized. So use accounts that is old, at least a year. That is a mistake I did. My account was virgin, was new. I had issue with it. Even till now, I'm still having issue with it. But if you use an account that have years to it and watch history, you're watching other people, you're engaging, you use your normal the account in YouTube, like your Gmail. Use the account normally on YouTube, doing your normal processes on YouTube, watching video, commenting, all this thing. When you use it to open your channel, you get monetized faster. When you have already achieved all the requirements. Do you understand? So please check your profiles, check your pictures, check your email, check your contact, verify everything to avoid the story that touches the heart. You will cry, you will cry, you. Please, I'm advised. Most times we beg, but people don't understand. As if we are trying to help. We are begging to help you. We are begging now. Tomorrow now you start posting online that you are rejected. We are trying to advise you on things we feel that will help your channel grow. The last but not the least, please listen. The last but not the least, any video in your profile, you uploaded or you did that you felt somehow you are feeling that this video is not okay. It's not okay. Please unlist it or put it in private, because YouTube will check all your videos that's active to the public. And do you know, I know you ask, how do I know that YouTube don't check private videos? YouTube don't check private videos. Do you know how I know? Recently, around February, my account was disabled. I appealed immediately. That was what I didn't. All thanks to God. As in, when I saw it, I was like, my monetized account was disabled due to I tried to change my AdSense account. Google, the thing was flagged as will I say, they flagged it as malicious, as in they didn't trust the actions. My account was disabled. Immediately I noticed it. What did I do? I applied. People were telling me, why did you apply? You should have waited 7 days. I was like, do you know? Do you know? Hi. Do you know what I said? I said that if it's the will of God for my account to be disabled, let it go. If it's the will of God for my account for me to be rejected, let it go. But when I saw the message, when I saw the message that YouTube restored my account, I thank the Lord, because He's really wonderful. So the question is, how did I know that YouTube don't check your private videos? When I was applying, YouTube asked for my permission. They said that by accepting the terms and conditions, you are giving YouTube right to check your private videos. Do you understand what I'm saying? So YouTube doesn't have right to check your private videos. Only people that can check your private videos are people that you link to your account. Maybe because a YouTube account can have people to manage it. Maybe you have other people that is managing your account, other people that can see your private video. YouTube cannot watch it. So if you are appealing, YouTube, you accepting anything, you are giving YouTube right to check your private videos. Do you understand? So what am I saying? That if you know that you have videos that you felt or you feel that is not worthy, that will cause you problem, please put it on private, unlist it, don't leave it in public. Do you understand? Because you still maintain your watch hour. Do you understand? You still maintain your watch hour. But my advice is to you is that don't put it back in public again. Leave it as private forever. Because you might put it in public and YouTube later find out and flag their video. It will affect your account. So that's just it, guys. That is just it. These things, let me start from the beginning. Please make sure you don't apply immediately after YouTube send you a message. Leave some time to check your account well. Number two, check for restriction, copyright. Number three, I might not list it according to, but I'm just listening according to what I remember. Check your profile, your background, everything. Number four, um, check if you have a video that you feel that will contradict, that will make your account not be monetized. Number five, number four, is it number four or number five? Number four, check your I say check your profile picture, check everything, check your email. Number five, number six or number five, check videos that have privacy policy, which that violated Google's YouTube policies. Do you understand? So I might not remember all I said, but please, if you don't understand what I said, please go back, rewatch this video again and again and again and again and again and again until you understand what I'm saying. Please, it's for your betterment. It's for, because if it's good for you, it's good for me. How, you may say how? If it's good for you, I know you follow me, and if you watch my video, it's good for me, and I watch your own, it's good for you. So everyone's happy. So please, till next time, don't forget to like, subscribe, click on the notification bell, follow if you're watching from YouTube or Instagram or TikTok, because I'm going to post it everywhere. Thanks, guys. Love you. Peace and love. Don't forget, it's your boy Sirmyke. Bye.